We left the transit bolts in our Beko before running it. We realized our mistake and removed the bolts, but the drum really wobbles badly now. One of the plastic sleeves that held the bolt is wobbly. Is it shafted? Repairable?
I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods plus years. And currently work well, no manufacturer. Just want to make sure you have removed all 4 bolts only? You didn't remove the concrete weight on top, did you? Regards.
No, just the 4 bolts. It's a Beko Eco WMB 81445 LWBTW. Brand new.
Okay, no worries, I was just checking as I've seen this removed before as well as the bolts. Did you remove the polystyrene block from under the washer as well? Lean it backwards and look under the front and see if there is a polystyrene block under there. If so, remove this. If there is no block under there, then look under the washer and you will see the suspension legs. Check these are both attached to the drum, as if they come off it will cause the washer to bounce around as well. But if all that's okay under there and it's still jumping around, then it's possibly got a damaged drum, so in this case you would need to go back to either the retailer or Beko. But just check under the front first, as you may find the polystyrene block is still under there. Regards.
Polystyrene block was removed also. I saw black suspension straps holding the drum. Is this the things you mean, to check that they are still attached? Do the transportation bolt sleeves also provide stability to the drum, i.e., if one or more of them aren't properly attached, could that cause it? As I say, one of them was spinning and seemed to no longer be properly attached. Wouldn't you know, the first thing we tried washing was a heavy sofa cover. We're moving house, so I guess that would have compounded the problem. There's nothing to do with resetting control boards or anything, is there, i.e., it somehow configured itself to do the best it can with the transportation bolts in? Is there anything we'd look a telltale of drum damage?
As to the bolts, when you remove these, you did remove the plastic sleds that go through, did you? Regards.
Just the metal bolts. The instructions weren't massively clear. Looking under the machine, the 4 plastic sleeves look like they're supposed to stay attached to the drum and the outer bit, but I guess thinking about it, maybe not.
Okay, no, them other bits need to be removed as well, as the drum will be hitting them and causing this fault here. So remove the sleds as well, and this should cure the fault here. They are not the easiest things to remove, so use a big screwdriver and prise them out, and that should sort the fault out from there. Regards.
Many thanks. I'll give that a try. We haven't got internet at the other house, so it may be later before I can report back, but fingers crossed.
No worries, that's fine. I will be online now till about 8 p.m. later on, so just let me know how it goes from there. Regards.
That seems to have done the trick nicely. Many thanks.
Nice one, glad to hear that sorted it, and thanks, me know how it went. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.